Now that's an 8 right there, I'll tell you what. So Bobby Gately brought me over this nice big fat 8-inch sub, but I think what he was really wanting people to see was this grill right here. This thing feels like you could smack a mother with it. Like you could probably kill somebody with this thing. So this is a newer version of the Relentless sub. I've got a little older one sitting inside of that badass box in the other room. I'm gonna bring that out in a second. But let's look at this. Well, the holes look like they line up pretty good. And I just noticed that those look like Gately shields. So that's kind of cool. Of course, he didn't tell me what voice coils these were, so we're gonna have to find out real quick. So it looks like we're looking at a dual 2. He didn't tell me what it was, but now we know. So as you know, you can take a dual 2 and turn it into a single 1 or a single 4 ohm subwoofer. Simple. We're gonna do 1 ohm because this amp right here loves 1 ohm. All right, so we got this Incriminator Audio 20.1, a couple thousand watts here, one of my favorite amps. Love that amp. We got the Gately Audio sub wired at 1 ohm. Real-time power.
This is the lowest.
Okay, like my whole bench is walking. All this stuff is moving. It's all falling down. I lost a tweeter. It's on the ground somewhere. Big heavy one. But yeah, that shit is moving. God damn. This subwoofer is not playing. Let's put it inside of a box and see how it sounds. I had this old factory box for a Yukon or a Tahoe sitting in the shop forever, all rotted out. I don't think this 8 is gonna fit in there. For sure is not gonna fit in there the regular way, but inverted, I don't know. Let's take this thing out and look at it. Two ohms. Perfect. Yeah. I don't think so. Man, I was really hoping that thing would fit. Guess not. Guess I could try to invert it and see what happens. If that don't work, we're gonna have to put it in a real box. Yeah, it's not exactly sitting inside the countersink like it's supposed to. It actually does not sound any better. It actually didn't sound any better at all in there. Because again, it's leaking everywhere. It shouldn't sound any better. Woo. Of course, I got a real box sitting right here. My pride and joy, my Gately Audio acrylic box. He gave this to me a while ago. I think I'll put the new 8 inside here. All right, we're back in action. New sub is in the box. Everything's looking just like it used to. Even switched out the little sleeving that he had in there. I couldn't take it. I couldn't have raw wires if that's the way he gave it to me. So there's only one problem though. The plan was to put this sub in this box and put this grill on it. I made a phone call over. I said, hey, do I keep this gasket or do I take it off? He said, take it off. So what's the first thing I do? I put it all back together and I don't take it off. So that's already in. I'm not pulling it back apart again, but I will show you exactly how it goes on. So if you get one of these, it's gonna peel the gasket off like this. And this goes on just like that. Oh yeah, that's a nice fit too. Just like that. There. I'm pushing 230 pounds, stepping on this like it's nothing. Can't go wrong with a Gately sub or a Gately grill. And with that, I'm out of here.